Hello everybody, this is Leroy with Ozark Riders. Today, or this was back in August, is the route that we're taking today. And I know we've done different videos of going up Mount Nebo, but wanted to do one here of us going down Mount Nebo and just show you some of the sights, some of the switchbacks, and the beautiful area and the beautiful road that it is. Um, and also I just learned how to really edit these videos with keyframes. Shout out to a couple people. Number one, to Mild Hogs, because he actually put a video out that is very understandable. So once again, if you have a 360 camera and you'd like to know how to edit a little bit better, definitely go check out Mild Hogs, and he has a video that shows you exactly how to do it. Whether you're editing on the computer, or if you're editing on your phone or iPad or anything like that. I've owned this camera for well over a year, and I never could figure out how to do the keyframes right. And just this morning, he put out the video explaining how to do these keyframes, and how to edit the video a little bit better, because I was having a world of trouble. But man, he made it so perfectly clear. And this I edited on a computer, so it was with the actual program that you put on the computer. And I really do like it. I was actually able to cut up some where I couldn't do it before. And the other I want to throw at is, because I guess one of his subscribers, and actually it's somebody I watch too. His name is Bogey Biker. He sort of I guess he sort of talked to Mild Hogs, Brent and Mild Hogs, how to to put out a video and show people how to do this, because this is the second thing I've learned from him about the 360 camera. So shout out to those guys, and hope hope you get 1 million subscribers, both of you. Really do, because I appreciate it. Again, this was the end of August, and I have 2 other motorcycles behind me. I actually have one bike there. He is out of New Mexico, and then behind him is Andrea and her trike, and our other friend out of Texas. So we had a great ride. This was just part of it. This was the part of coming back down Mount Nebo, and then after that we did a couple other rides. But man, this was such a great ride. Great day to do rides. We thoroughly enjoyed both going up and going down Mount Nebo. But again, we've had plenty of videos of going up, excuse me. But I really did want this one going down. And I think I will start doing a little bit more videos with the 360. This is done with the X3, but I bought the X5. So you'll see a bunch of motorcycles coming. This was during a motorcycle rally, Eagle Wings Motorcycle Association. And you see a bunch of people headed up. All right, well, listen, appreciate it. Subscribe if you can. If you enjoy this, let me know. Give it a shout, give it a thumbs up, or whatever you got to do. But hey, thanks a lot for watching.